Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. There's a major shift forming in the crypto world, and it's not just price action. A powerful new piece of regulation in Washington is gaining traction, and according to billionaire investor Mike Novogratz, it could be the spark that sends Bitcoin and the entire market sharply higher. This isn't speculation or hype. It's the kind of reform that could finally give crypto the clarity and legitimacy it's been waiting for, and it's already catching the attention of major institutions. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so let's talk about what this new U.S. crypto regulation really means for investors. It's called the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, often shortened to the U.S. Crypto Market Structure Bill. This legislation would finally spell out how digital assets are classified and regulated across the United States. Right now, there's constant confusion between the SEC and the CFTC over who oversees what. This bill fixes that by drawing a clear line. Assets like Bitcoin and potentially Ethereum would be treated as commodities under the CFTC, while tokens that function more like traditional investments would remain securities under the SEC. It would also establish rules for crypto exchanges, stablecoin issuers, and custody standards, ensuring these platforms can operate legally under federal oversight. That clarity is huge. It removes the gray area that has kept big institutions on the sidelines. Once it's enacted, it opens the floodgates for banks, hedge funds, and pension managers to invest confidently in crypto. Pair that with rising expectations that the Federal Reserve may soon pivot toward a softer, more flexible policy, and you've got the perfect setup for renewed market strength. When liquidity flows, risk assets like Bitcoin benefit first, and history shows those moves can happen fast. But beyond regulation, let's talk about what gives Bitcoin its real power. As Michael Saylor often reminds us, Bitcoin isn't just about transferring money across borders, it's about preserving value across time. He calls its volatility a gift to the faithful. Why? Because every major price swing shakes out the short-term speculators and rewards long-term believers. If Bitcoin suddenly skyrocketed tomorrow, we'd lose years of accumulation opportunity. That volatility everyone fears is actually what creates the chance to build meaningful positions before mass adoption truly hits. And that long-term belief is shared by some of the biggest names in finance. Cathie from ARK Invest still expects Bitcoin to reach $1 million by 2030, saying each wave of global uncertainty only strengthens her conviction. CZ from Binance believes a $500,000 to $1 million Bitcoin is possible within this cycle. And even BlackRock's chief investment officer recently said, live on CNBC, that Bitcoin now belongs in every portfolio as a hedge against inflation and currency depreciation. That's not retail speculation anymore, that's institutional validation. Now let's talk about timing. Macro investor Raoul Pal believes this market cycle could run longer than usual, potentially into 2026. He explains that governments extended debt maturities after 2020, effectively stretching the business cycle from 4 years to nearly 5. That means liquidity could stay elevated longer, keeping crypto markets supported well into the next couple of years. So, what does all of this mean for crypto holders today? The industry is maturing, regulation is being defined, liquidity is expanding, and institutional adoption is accelerating faster than ever before. Mike Novogratz has emphasized that as governments continue to overspend and weaken their currencies, Bitcoin increasingly stands out as the strongest alternative. Short-term volatility might scare people away, but for those who stay patient, it's the foundation of opportunity. Stay sharp and stay patient. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.